So, I apologize that I'm starting the video after he started the rice, but I'm still trying to figure out the issue with the YouTube app. Look at that heart. And so I was already recording a video so I could upload it, and then I remembered if I log into the Chrome on my iPhone, and then you go to like upload or record, it will let you record a video, and I want to see if that's gonna work quicker than what I've been doing. What I've been doing is just hit or miss. So I might upload the other one. It's only gonna be 3 minutes though. But don't worry, I know how to do all this stuff. I am an expert when it comes to videoing and stuff like this. It's just that I have some new equipment and new apps that go with the equipment, and I'm having to learn it all. So this takes, 3 hours, 2 hours this morning. I'm gonna move the sauce back. And see, I noticed I need to get my nails done. At least I may not get fake nails, but at least get a manicure once a week. My nails look like shit. I mean, like crap. Whatever, can't cuss on YouTube. They said don't cuss on YouTube, so I'm not gonna do it. I said they look like crap. Oh, does she different? I was thinking about doing a video at the aquarium, downtown, because we don't have, Astroworld's been gone forever. We don't really have, we have some stuff to do in Houston, but like my aunt lives in Orlando, so I don't know. I might go. I like Epcot. I'm not really so much into like roller coasters and stuff. Unless I am gonna go to the carnival, the rodeo carnival. I'm gonna film all that. I may go 2 or 3 times. That's a great place to film. And I'm sure that people will like it. I didn't, the year that, 2020, I had actually that week, the week it closed down, my plan was to go that next Monday because they opened it on a Tuesday. So that week that, that everything shut down in America and the world, including the rodeo carnival, I was going to go that year, and I didn't get to go. I'm going this year. I think it'd be kind of fun to get one of these kind of grills installed in your house. Really? How much was that? And is it a gas one for the outside? Well, they have something here for $250. You can cook for I don't know how many friends. But you come in one day and you train. Oh, there we go. And then the next day, and then you have a chef behind you telling you what to do. I don't know, because if I didn't have somebody telling me what to do, I might burn it just because I'm not familiar with the. Yeah. Do y'all go to Vegas? Where do you stay when you go? Which one do you like better, the Aria or the Cosmo? Which do you like better? I stayed at the Golden Nugget. That's my first time and only time. It was disappointing. The one that owned by Tillman Fertitta. In fact, since I do go to the Post Oak Hotel sometimes to eat, to have Landry's card, I'm going to complain in person because I took pictures. I mean, I was just, and then the noise level. Then they moved me. They said their premium tower, the Rush Tower, and I was on the 15th floor, but the noise, the music was so loud, even with the earplugs, it was shaking the bed. Some kind of thrasher, heavy metal until 2 in the morning. And I'm like, you gotta be kidding me that, I mean, I guess they figure people are gonna gamble. I mean, they finally turned it down or something. That's horrible. Trying to get it even. That's a good way and smart to keep the rice warm. Do you have some lemon butter for the lobster? And some more. Thank you. Yeah, that's lemon butter? Garlic butter? Okay, that's fine. That'll work. Do y'all have a favorite steak restaurant in Houston? Where? I don't think I've been there. Really? Oh, wow. So much better. I always love that. you.